Swadikap.
Hello, sir.
First of all, at the very outset, I would like to thank the Ajans who came all the way from Thailand to give us the valuable training, technical training of Muay Thai. My dear friend, it's a history for us. We who work for this program to be here, to be gathered here all together, we know what we have done for this. And we're success. I can guarantee you, this is world record in the history of IFMA. So big, awesome program have not been till yet done. And we India have done it. And for that, the whole credit I want to give to our host state, Kerala. And the President of Kerala, Mr. Binu Johnson. And especially from the core of my heart to the person who have partnered with Kerala State Muay Thai Association, that is GFC, Mr. Askar Basit. Askar, thank you from myself and on behalf of UMI too. It was your thoughts who shared with us, and we could let you understand it that we're making the history happen here. This is history for us. IFMA once awesome, once standard Muay Thai course to be spread throughout the whole world. IFMA in its every AGM annual general. It was our job to say to you all and invite you all to come here and to join this training program. Now, it's your turn to take back the best from our agents. They are here for the next 3 days to give you the best. It's up to you how much you can take. They are the persons who go around the whole world. Dr. Chow is the chairman of Cultural and Heritage Commission of IFMA. Kruhi, he always traveled the whole world with Dr. Chow. And Krupet, he's also very famous, very well known to us. He now trains in Mongol Academy. He is also a renowned trainer. So it's our good luck we get them here. We try to grab the best from them. Not only this, earlier Muay Thai was training was only the technical part. No. The vision of IFMA is carrying on the technical part as well as how to develop Muay Thai, how to develop the athletes. All those things also will be taught by our online, who will be coming online to us from different parts of the world. Yeah. Many speakers from different parts of the world, from different time zone is going to speak to us all in the next 3 days. Today, just because of getting a bit delayed with the registration, the speakers cannot be on time. So we'll do today also, there is online class, but a bit change of time. Now as soon as we finish this, we will go for technical training. After that, we'll go for the online. Today the schedule is a bit changed, so I beg to be excused from everyone. Then everyone please follow up the schedule going on.
ഇതെല്ലാം പിന്നെ ഫുൾ ക്രെഡിറ്റ് കൊടുക്കേണ്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ വന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരുപാട് താങ്ക്സ്. നമുക്ക് വളരെ വലിയൊരു വിജയകരമായി ഇത് അവസാനിപ്പിക്കണം. തുടർന്ന് നമ്മുടെ കേരളത്തിൽ
Swadika, dear United Muay Thai Association India, dear Rasenjit, dear friends. As the IFMA president, I am very proud to be the opening speaker for the 2023 India IFMA OSM workshop. IFMA can be very proud of the achievement of Muay Thai to be recognized by the International Olympic Committee, the Olympic Council of Asia, to be fully WADA compliant, to be included in the World Games, the World Combat Games, Indo-Asian Games, and the list goes on. India can be very proud of the development of Muay Thai over the last few years and also its education program. Officials are very important for IFMA so that we can together progress towards higher goal. We teach our students that they must be the best they can be and strive for excellence, and we very much certainly expect this from our coach. This is why over the next 3 days, you will have the chance to be taught by the Thai master to get knowledge from our expert in anti-doping, athletes, safety, role and responsibility of IPMA member, and the list go on. I would like to wish the best of luck to all participants and to make this fruitful workshop. And we are looking forward to continue the close relationship we have with the Indian Muay Thai Federation and President Prasenjit. Now, I will hand over the floor to IFMA Director General, who is not only an outstanding administrator, but someone who also shares IFMA vision on equality, and we are proud of our Director General. So, without further ado, I would like to introduce Shalisa Thailand.